Unbox, set up, and install the HP OfficeJet 8010, 8020, or 8030 series printer. Open the printer box, and then remove the documentation and HP Instant Ink setup cartridges. Set the box on its side, and then use the two handles to pull the printer out of the box. Remove the printer power cord and set it aside. Remove the styrofoam end caps from both sides of the printer. Inside the plastic, remove the setup poster, the reference guide, and the HP Instant Ink card. Remove the printer from the plastic bag. Remove all packing materials from around the printer. Lift the scanner lid. Remove the styrofoam sheet, and then close the scanner lid. Plug in the power cord, and the printer turns on automatically. On the printer control panel, select your language, and then touch Confirm. Select your country or region, and then touch Confirm. When prompted to install cartridges, open the front door and lift the cartridge access door. When the carriage is idle and silent, remove the plastic insert. Unwrap the bundle of setup cartridges. On the black cartridge, pull the tab from the plastic to expose the vent slot on the cartridge. Hold the cartridge by the sides and then twist the cap to remove it. Significant force might be required. Avoid touching the contacts and ink port to prevent clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Match the letter and color of the cartridge to the corresponding slot in the carriage. Hold the cartridge by its sides and slide it into the slot. Push down on the cartridge until it clicks in place. Repeat these steps to install the remaining cartridges. Close the cartridge access door and then close the front door. On the printer control panel, touch OK to continue. Slide out the main paper tray and then remove the cardboard restraint and tape. Slide the paper guides to their outermost position and then load a stack of plain, letter-sized paper. Push the stack into the tray until it stops. Adjust the paper guides so they touch the paper stack. Slide in the paper tray and, if necessary, touch OK. Slide out the output tray. An alignment page prints automatically. You must scan the alignment page before printing. Lift the scanner lid and place the page print side down on the scanner glass, using the guides for correct placement. Close the scanner lid and then touch Scan. When the Alignment Successful prompt displays, touch OK to complete the hardware setup. On your computer or mobile device, go to 123.hp.com and follow the prompts to get the software for your operating system. For video assistance with connecting and installing the software, find How to set up a wireless HP printer from Android, How to set up a wireless HP printer from an iPad or iPhone, How to install a wireless HP printer in Mac OS, and How to install a wireless HP printer in Windows using HP Easy Start.